Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. I just want to take the time to tell you how much I enjoyed reading all of your essays. I learned so much and you did just a wonderful job pulling great information, ideas, thoughts out from all the articles you read, doing a nice job with the analysis of comparing and contrasting your articles. We had articles on bullying, parent involvement, restorative justice, mindfulness, growth mindset. Everything that I read was just wonderful. You did a great job of picking peer-reviewed articles and also a really good job in ensuring they were current. And so those hopefully will go towards working on your final artifact project. One thing I did want to mention to you, I'm going to grab my book. Sorry for the reach, because I have it over here. Your APA manual. That's probably the one thing I have for feedback on your essays is that when you struggled with APA and text citation, of course, that would be consistent through the whole piece. And so I'm really going to encourage you, if I made a comment on your essay that I want you to work on your APA citation work, I really encourage you to use the book. APA is particular all the way down to using a P instead of PG for page numbers, how many spaces follow things, where the parentheses go, where quotation marks go. And so I did try to give you very specific feedback about APA, knowing that you're going to have to use APA once again in your final artifact project. So please do look on your essays for my feedback, both within the feedback section and then within the document itself. There'll be little blue bubbles that will appear, and please know that not every blue bubble is fix this or do this different. Sometimes it's hey, this is a great point, or I really like how you analyze this section, or me just going off on what you said and continuing to comment. So please look at all the little blue bubbles. For some of them, if it's the same error all the way through, I tried to pick a color, and I would tell you on the first time I cited it that it was an error. I'd say this is the same error, and I put it in this color all the way through your document. So you can just look and go, okay, for all those that are, and a lot of times I pick yellow. If they're all yellow, it's the same problem. Okay, so I'm not trying to make you feel like, oh, I'm getting a lot of criticism. It's not that at all. This is a learning process. You are learning to become more skilled with APA, and so that's why I give you that feedback, because I do want you to take it and apply it going forward. Eventually, in a few short semesters, you are going to be working on your 695 research synthesis project, and that's going to be a 30 to 35 page paper that's going to be using the same kind of work you just did with these articles, citing, synthesizing, and writing about what you're drawing out of the articles. And so this is just good practice for you, okay? But overall, just really enjoyed your research work with those compare and contrast two articles. Okay, so this week, I'm just going to point out everybody is way ahead of the game here in terms of getting things posted. Individual text reflections are in. I know you're all pushing for the finish line, and I'm with you. So I will continue to just read your discussion and look at your individual text reflections as they pop up. Congratulations on finishing your final individual text reflection and your last small group discussion. After this, next week, of course, we're going to go right into talking about week 7, which is your final week where you turn in your artifact project. So I'll have one more little video for you for this, but until then, know that I am available to you. A few of you have used my phone number that I provide for you at the top of the page. It's also on the syllabus. Text me. I will call you back as soon as I get your message, and I'm happy to work with you on anything you're struggling with, or you just have questions, or you want to run something by me. I am happy to look at things ahead of time if you want some feedback. I won't guarantee that that's exactly how it's going to go when it comes time to be graded, but I'm happy to look at some things and hopefully maybe give you another set of eyes if you need that. Other than that, I hope you have a great week this week, and I will see you online.